In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to delete your districts that you've created in AlignMix. And there's a couple ways that we can delete those districts. The first way is to open up a district map view by opening up a new tab. And then you simply right-click on a district and then click on the delete button. And that will delete that district. What you haven't done is you have not deleted territories, and you also have not deleted any accounts or zipped territory assignments. Clicking back on the Territory Alignment tab, you'll see that all those territories are still intact. But if you right-click on a territory and click on Properties, you will see that that territory is no longer assigned to a district. So the first way to delete your districts is using the radial tool. The second way to delete districts is to use the Lasso District button here in the top left, and now we can lasso one or more districts at the same time, and when we let go of the lasso, we will see a summary of everything that we've just lassoed. Clicking on the next button, we can now delete all of those district assignments, and then click on Finish. And right away, you will see that those districts have now turned a dark gray to show you that this area has not been assigned to a hierarchy. So going back to our Territory Alignment tab here, you will see those territories are still there, but if I right-click on one of those territories and click on Properties, you'll see that they are still not assigned. And the final way to delete your districts is from a district table view. So let's open up a district table by clicking here on Add View, Tables, and then District Table. And now you'll see all the current districts that we have in this file are shown here in table form. To delete one of these districts, all we do is click one of these checkboxes and then click on Delete District. And just like that, that district has been deleted from this file. And there you go. You've just learned how to delete your districts in AlignMix.